So first we're going to make the caramel. Now for the caramel, I've just taken a saucepan, preferably a non-stick saucepan. I've just added my sugar and my water, given it just one mix, and then I've just let the sugar and the water dissolve. You don't need to stir after this. Keep it on a low to medium flame, and you will see that the sugar just starts to caramelize and turn into this beautiful dark golden brown color. Just keep an eye on it though, but don't stir it. And the minute you see the edges of the the syrup starting to become golden brown, then you just give it a shake just move the vessel and stir it just a bit, and then just put it into this dish into which you're going to make the caramel. And then what I like to do is I like to just to get an even get it evenly spread, I just put it on my gas flame and let it melt so that it evenly coats the base of the dish in which I'm going to make it. Now I'm just going to beat the eggs in a large bowl. I'm going to add my vanilla essence, give that a good mix. Then I'm going to add my powdered sugar. I've just taken regular sugar, put it into my mixer or blender and just given it a blitz. See that everything is well mixed together. Now I've used slices of bread. You can also use pav, that's available. Now just add the milk and again give it a mix. Now you can tear up the bread or the pav with your fingers and make it into a very fine into crumbly form. But what I like to do is I like to put it into my mixer and give it a blitz. That way you get a very even and smooth texture and you don't get lumps of bread in the pudding. So now I'm just going to add this, and I've used brown bread. You can use white bread. Generally at our place we like to have whole wheat brown bread, so I've just taken the slices. You can even use leftover bread also, and then just give everything a very, very good mix. Now our caramel has already set into the dish. I've just used a regular baking dish. So you can see that it's actually solidified. So now I'm just going to pour my mixture over the caramel. And now I've already kept my steamer for boiling. I've just put the dish into the steamer and I've covered it with a lid. I've closed up my steamer and I'm going to cook this on a high flame for 15 minutes. I've actually kept my timer on and I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to let the steamer completely cool down. So I can, it's becomes cool enough that I can handle, I can touch the steamer. And then I'm just going to check on the bread pudding. I'm just going to take a knife, insert it, and when it comes out clean, I know my pudding is done. Now I have to transfer this to my refrigerator and let it completely cool down for about 2 to 3 hours. So I'm again going to cover it and put it into my refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours before I demold it. And now we're ready to demold it. So I've just taken a knife and just run it through the edges. And then I'm just going to put my plate on top of it and invert it. Then I'm just going to tap on it gently till you can actually feel that the pudding has loosened up from the dish, and you can just demold it. And you can see the pan has also come out quite clean, and I've just transferred it to a clean plate. And I just poured whatever little caramel was there in the side of the other plate onto the top of this. And I can, you can cut it up immediately, or you can even, chill it further and then cut it up. And then you get this beautiful slices of bread pudding. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try.
share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's Recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.